responsibility. The green steel scheme reduces carbon emissions by 70%, driven by renewable energy. From design to installation, precision built for Earth and performance. Caption: One team, one vision. Integrated delivery value. Certified green materials. Seismic anti-corrosion technology. Reduce the completion period by 30%. When engineering ambition meets ecological responsibility. We build spans beyond limits, not overdrawing the planet. What if your next large building was as awesome winning as these? Our two 1-to-1-meter span coal yards won Shanghai's Diamond Award and will last for 50 years. We offer an all-in-one service. Design, build, and install, providing you with a full-cycle solution. You'll get awesome winning strength, stylish looks, and work-free service from start to finish. Ready to build your own legend? Let us help you make it happen.
Now let's have a tour of our factory. These are in the process of wire machining. This is the painting of the rods. Drill a base hole for the bolt bowl. Then the bolt bowl is machinized. also sprayed with zinc to prevent corrosion. This is dealing with sandwich panels. The process in our factory is orderly, fast, and quality guaranteed. This is measuring and processing the rod. Our process is strict to ensure the fastest speed to achieve the best quality. The main structure of the space frame structure workshop is mainly composed of columns and beams connected through nodes to form a stable load-bearing system. This structural system can withstand vertical and horizontal loads, and the wall is not load-bearing, mainly plays the role of enclosure and separation.
This is demonstration of gas station shed roof installation process.
A barrel shell is a shell with a barrel-shaped appearance or barrel-shaped structure. Shell is a kind of structural form with curved shape and thickness much smaller than other dimensions, which can bear large loads and has good stability. dome space frame structure coal bunker installation display. Dome coal bunker is mostly used in vertical large capacity coal bunker, and its structure can disperse the pressure evenly, so the stress performance is better. The design of dome coal bunker makes full use of its internal space, with high section utilization rate, which can store more coal. In addition, the construction of dome coal bunkers is relatively simple, and due to its structural characteristics, it is also easier to maintain. High-speed railway station with structure is not only the core of transportation, but also a near-net car for city development. From the exterior styling to the interior layout, the grid structure takes into account both functionality and aesthetics. The scientific mechanical design is wind and earthquake resistant and durable, providing a solid guard for the high-speed rail station. The revolving restaurant of Reunion uses a steel structure dome roof, and the LF adapts a unique design that takes into account factors such as wind speed and seismic acceleration, making the building safe and stable.
why all the landmarks in Saudi Arabia are steel structures? Because steel is safer. Look at this photo. This is a tornado that happened in Saudi Arabia, destroying all the surrounding buildings built with concrete. Steel structure has good ductility and can effectively absorb and disperse the impact. So whether it is a high-rise building or a stadium or exhibition center, steel structure can easily cope with all kinds of extreme weather. Moreover, steel structure materials can be recycled to reduce carbon emissions. The Saudi Arabia Kingdom building was built with 80,000 tons of steel, such a huge volume. But there has not been a single safety accident during the construction process. The steel structure is much stronger, more ductile and earthquake resistant than reinforced concrete, and is much lighter. This made the project more efficient and greatly shortened the construction period. LF has been specializing in the field of long-span steel structures for 30 years and has a global presence, combining aesthetics and mechanical design to create countless seismic, wind-resistant, and aesthetically pleasing landmark buildings. Do you have a project you need help with? LF helps make every project a success.
Glass dome is usually made of tempered laminated glass, ultra-white glass and other high-strength, high-light transmittance materials with high transparency, good appearance, lightweight and other advantages. The glass dome is able to change with the skylight, bringing natural and soft light into the interior while reducing the use of indoor lighting and air conditioning, saving energy. Now let's look at some of the details. These are high-strength bolts. The role of high-strength bolts in the space frame structure is mainly reflected in the connection fastening and enhancing the overall stability. These are sleeves. The sleeve is mainly used to connect the steel bar, which is to connect two or more steel bars through the sleeve to form an overall structure.
The application of space frame structure in glass dome skylight is mainly reflected in its lightweight, efficient load-bearing capacity and aesthetic visual effect. As the dome skylight needs to cover a large area and bear a large load, the space frame structure can provide evenly distributed force transmission while reducing the weight of the overall structure. Sufficient load-bearing capacity, open space, and flexible design make space frame structures widely used in hangars. The space frame structure has a superior spanning ability, which enables a large span of space in the hangar without interference from columns and facilitates the parking, maintenance, and operation of aircraft. Now let's take a look at Beijing Daxing Airport. The terminal of Beijing Daxing International Airport includes the main terminal, supporting service buildings and parking buildings, with a total construction scale of about 1.4 million square meters. The terminal covers an area of 780,000 square meters and has 100 boarding bridges. The terminal is shaped like a phoenix spreading its wings, presenting a unique shape of five-finger corridors. The terminal is topped by a circular glass dome, 80 meters in diameter, surrounded by 8 huge C-shaped columns that hold up the entire terminal roof. These C-shaped columns are surrounded by bubble windows, which are mainly used for lighting and enable the terminal to withstand a Category 12 typhoon. The roof of the central area uses a steel space frame structure, which is supported by 8 C-shaped columns, 12 groups of support tubes and curtain wall columns, forming a large span roof of 180,000 square meters. The C column is the main support structure, and its unique shape and arrangement effectively transfers loads, providing both vertical support and horizontal stiffness.
Stepping into the museum is like traveling through multi-dimensional space. The well-arranged space layout is not only the ultimate pursuit of architectural aesthetics, but also a deep tribute to the history and culture of the exhibits. On every step, you can feel the integration of history and modernity. The unique space frame design makes every corner of the museum full of surprises. The cantilever roof and the staggered beams and columns not only support the weight of the building, but also bear the crystallization of human wisdom. Every detail is a profound interpretation of architectural art.
The Zhonggan High-Speed Railway Station is a comprehensive transportation hub integrating high-speed rail, intercity railway, subway, bus and other modes of transportation. In the video, it can be seen that the platform layers are scattered, and the high-speed train shuttles through them like a silver dragon, efficiently connecting Beijing, Tianjin and other parts of Hebei province, greatly shortening the time and space distance between the cities. The supporting facilities in the station are perfect, from intelligent security check, face recognition, to automatic ticking information query. Every detail reflects the humanistic care of science and technology, which provides great convenience for passengers. The steel structure project of Zhonggan High-Speed Railway Station is a frame structure system with a total steel consumption which exceeds the total steel consumption of both next stadium and is the leader in the steel structure consumption of large domestic transportation hubs.